How's it going? This is Tim here. Today we're working on example number 20. Now, my AutoCAD students, you're going to be also, this week you're going to be doing 19, 20, and you're going to work on these yourself. At the very least, I want you to do I want you to do the orthographic projections of both of them. Now, with this practice number 6, I don't know why they were trying to save space there, but this thing is projected out. This is just a little cutout. It's kind of stupid, really. So just be aware of that. I'm going to give you 3/4 of the marks if you can do this with the orthographic projection any way possible, and I'm going to give you the remaining 25% if you draw me either an isometric or 3D, which is tricky enough, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to pick the easy one and do the easy one here for you, but you should be able to do those. So this is easy. Look, we have the front and the right view. We're just going to draw this shape out. That's going to be one extrusion, and then we're going to cut 2 holes, and I'm going to be able to enjoy the rest of my Sunday off and eat some candy. All right, and you lads are going to have to suffer with the tough ones, but anyway, no stress. Right, let's think about this. It's 4 inches and then it's 3, so let's have a look. We'll get a new part. Sheet sets, manufacturing imperial. We go to model. I'm going to draw this in 3D right off the bat, and let's go to home, and we will create a new layer. I don't like this. Sorry, what the hell is wrong? Excuse me, what the hell is wrong with me? I was getting confused. New layer. All right, construction 1. We'll make it yellow, and 0, 0. Let's get on the right layer first of all. All right, and we're going to offset a distance of 2, aren't we? 2, and we're going to draw this shape out here. So we're going to draw this shape. I have no idea why there's a line right there. There really shouldn't be a line going across there. This looks like one continuous extrusion. I need to think about that. I would see another line here that indicates that this face and that face are not planar, but let's not get hung up about that. 2.625. All right. We'll go back to the main layer, and I'm going to go from there to there to there to there, and then 1.5 and 1.5, and then let's get the 1.5s going first, and let's relax. Well, I wouldn't say relax, but 1.5, and then 1.5. Now, how far? What is there? Is there even a fillet on that? I don't even think they put a fillet on there, a measurement. All right, let's have a look here. This is 2, and that is 1.75, so that's 1/4 of an inch. Right, that's fine. 0.25. I'm clicking. I'm going in the direction that I need to be going in, and I'm just typing it in my number pad. 0.25. Now we need to let's have a look. Is this 0.25 as well? Yeah, 1.5 and 1.25, so this is 0.25. So offset 0.25 like there, and we will just draw a line in. Like so, and then we're going to trim it. And I'm going to make this 0.25 of a fillet and 0.25 of a fillet. Let's do that. Fillet, or for radius, 0.25. We've got to set it first. And I'm going to click M for multiple. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then I'm going to make this, I'm going to come up from there to there. I'm going to come up to offset 2 to there, and I'm going to bring this across. And then I have 0.75. So what do I need to do? I need to go back here, and I'm going to offset 0.375 there and there, and I'm going to trim this and trim that, and I'm going to come over here 0.125 to there to there. I'm laying it all out. And what do I need to do? I need to go trim, and I need to trim this bit and that and that and that. Again, this line should not be here. I'll remove it, but we're going to extrude that a total of 3. Is that everything? So I'll turn off the construction one. I'll turn off. Can I turn that off? I'll go region. I'm going to change this to be 3D basics, and I'm going to revolve. I'm holding down the shift key with my left hand. I'm holding down the middle roller ball of with my right hand to revolve in 3D space. I'm going to extrude and click inside. I would like to see this in conceptual. Extrude, press enter, and we're going to go 3. And I have this nice extrusion. I'm going to draw a line from there to there. These lads are called counter bores. The big circle is diameter 0.438, and it goes down a depth of 0.313. Hold on a second. Let's do the 0.313 diameter all the way through. Now, but where is its location? It is on that center line. So 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75 and 0.75. Where did I get that? 3 minus 1.5 will give me the remainder of that distance there and there. So that has to be 0.75, and it's 0.313. Now, I'll draw a line, a sacrificial line from there down. Come on now. 0.75. Is that right? And I'm going to draw a circle. And I'm going to make a diameter 0.313. And I'm going to draw a line from here up 0.75. And I'm going to go diameter 0.313. Okay. I'm going to type in region. 2 regions created. Press pull. Did it cut all the way through? Nice. And I'm going to do the same here. There is a line going through them. I just gotta, there we go. And then I'm going to have to delete don't be at that. Look at my, see, I get the blue square and I have that. Okay. Now 0.438 on the same center. Now see what's happening here? You see what's happening? Okay. We will go circle. I'm highlighting over this face. And it's still doing it. Okay. Being a pain. Alright, hold on a sec. I thought it was smart. Yeah, it's still being a pain. Alright, let me have a sup of this drink here. Alright, let's have a think. I don't have to do this, but I will. 3-point coordinate system. Specify the new origin right here. Specify a point on the x-axis right here. Specify a point on the y-axis right here. And now this is y and x. I think it's going to behave now. It would be funny if it didn't. Now I'm having a hard time. I'm trying to get the origin, the center of the circle. There you go. Yeah, look, what I can do is I can go to this, not there. I can go to here and I can turn off the extension, the tangent, the quadrant, and that I can turn off a lot of these and turn them back on later, but that might it's going to help me right there. Now what is this diameter? It's 0.438. 0.438. D for diameter, 0.438, and we're going to click on this circle, both of them. I'm going to type in region. Let's try that again, and let's go press pull. Now what is the extrusion height? It's going to be 0.313. Now wrong way. Let's try it again. Select object or bounded area. Let's try it again. I'm pressing escape a few times. Press pull. I'm selecting inside. No, it doesn't like that. What happens if I select it like? Now there it goes. Minus 0.313. If I delete that region, is it? There we go. No bother. Let's bring it in that direction. Minus 0.313. I'll delete the region. We don't need the region anymore. Excuse me. I would like to. I'm wondering, is there a way that I can change the material properties of this in AutoCAD? Can I edit the material? Modifying materials. Can I calculate the mass of a shape? Can I do that? Interesting. Okay. Mass prop. Mass prop. It does. It gives it the mass or the volume. But does it not depend on its material? Centroid. I haven't changed. This is this object. No, I'm good here. This object I haven't changed its material. If I type in mass properties and I want to get out of this object, you should be getting very, very close to 12.1141. If you're not, well, then something's off. Do you know? Let's save our work. I just had a massive breakfast. I had rashers, I had sausages, I had 2 eggs, and what else? Was that it? And I'm still hungry. About 2 hours ago. Do you know, it sucks. Alright now, anyhow, let's have a look at the drawing. We're going to do the front and the side, and we're going to do a nice 3D. So what do? We go to Layout, Base View, from Model Space. Can I press Enter? Alright, look, this is, what does that look like? Yeah, this is the wrong orientation. I want something like what was in the drawing. I like that. Can I delete this? Can I delete this? Erase. Can I revolve this? Rotate. Specify base point. Anywhere around there, and I'll flip it up over there. Look, no. I'll click on you. Rotate. The base point will be that. There you go. I'll bring you down here. It's a bit small. Don't worry, I'm going to project this view over here and press enter, and that looks good. I'm going to click on the parent view, and we're going to make this 1.5 is to 1. Now we're cooking with gas. And then I'm going to, we'll get a projected view from this. No, that doesn't look good. Can I get a rectangular viewport? And I'll just put this here. I wish I could turn that off. How do I turn the line off easy? I know I still haven't figured this out. That's kind of, let's bring this over. And can I, why, yeah, there you go. You can see the counter bores. Model, paper space. I'll double click in here, come on now. There we go. I don't like this ortho, what's going on? Ortho. you go. Come on now. Why is it being a pain? There you go. Right, I know I'm not saying much. I'm not in a multitasking mood today. I'm using all my brain power to figure this out, even though this isn't a hard part. Now what can we do here? Let's change the scale. I'm going to click on this and right click, and there was something here, shade plot, sketchy. That didn't do anything. If you've been watching me enough now, you do know I enjoy the sketchy for some reason. I wish I could draw, that's the main thing. Coffee break quality. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing here. So if I click on this and I make that shades of grey, that does look good though. Now, what are we missing? You're missing your dimensions. Alright, now, I'm far too lazy to be putting dimensions in, and you better not be. You owe me dimensions. Put them in just like the drawing. Now, if I was drawing this shape, I would draw, do you see this top view? I would start with this, and I would draw this shape out exactly as you see it here, and I would extrude it all the way that is 5.25. Then this is all going to be filled in. You're going to draw a rectangle here that you see here, and you're going to bust through it, and you're going to cut that out. And then you're going to draw in, this thing is going to be solid, and then you're going to cut a few triangles on it, 3 triangles, and you're going to cut that bit of it out, and that bit of it out, and you should be left with that object. This guy, I'm not going to tell you. I want to see how you get on with that. It's tricky. You should be able to do the orthographic projections of these, no trouble. That should be a piece of cake to you, every single one of you. But I would like you to see if you can draw this in 3D. It's tricky. Alright, that's it. Look, if you're watching this on Halloween, happy Halloween. I hope you all have a great time, and if you have kids, I hope they have a great time too. Alright, see yous.